Hello Divas! I have a sneak peek for you today from the wonderful people at Diamond Art Club. I thank them. I have not seen this one. I just pulled it out of its little box and took the plastic off the end. So I really have not seen this one yet. I can't wait to show it to you. As I'm bumping all this around. I can't wait to show it to you. So, let me see what is going on here. I only know that it's called Taking Flight. And let's see. For those of you who had never purchased from Diamond Art Club before, first of all, why not? Second of all, I want to let you know I have a code, a 15% off code, that you can use in the description box. And this is a, done for, provided to me for free to show to you. So, now we have those things out of the way, let me show you what it is. First of all, again, if you've never had a Diamond Art Club before, you'll know that each one comes with a step-by-step instruction booklet, and within here is a discount for your next purchase. Also, we have a sticker, a really big sticker of the actual project, and little mini stickers that you can put on when you're kitting up. And look at all those colors. Holy cow. Look at the rainbow we're going to be using. Wow. Oh, that is too cool. Too cool. You know what? Let me turn this light on to see if I can add some more light on the subject. I hope that's better. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Now, they also come with a toolkit. This is square, so it also has a tweezers, 2 heart-shaped wax. It's got your pen, a squishy, a boat, and a pile of baggies. And I love that they give you a pile of baggies because I always need them. They also give you a small sticker. Now you'll get to see it before me, so I'm showing you the small sticker of what it's going to look like. I hope it's in focus and in the right spot. Was it better without the light? I don't know. Let me see. Let's just unroll this first. I'm going to turn out the light because I don't think that was right. I have no idea. I have no idea. Light back on. Anyway, here, is it right side up or upside down? Oh, it's right side up. Let's see what it's going to look like. Oh, look at these colors, guys! Look at these colors! Whoa! It's birds taking flight. There's a world up here. This is by the artist. Oh, where is it? Mad Art Studio. Oh, I love that. Mad Art Studio. This kind of looks like trees coming out here. And the dove with the world kind of looks like world peace to me. I don't know. It's just an abstract. This is really cool. Boy, they nailed my taste on this one. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. There's a parrot over here. There's a biplane, an old tape biplane in here. There are stars. It looks like the sky, the ocean, a lot of little mini birds here and there. It's got these waves down here. And it's got these things, I guess, that represent trees as well. Or a rainbow. Whoa. Alright, and all drills under the number 150 are ABs. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABs. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's exciting. I love ABs in a project. Let's take a peek at all this goodness here. Let's take a peek at all this goodness. I'll never get it back in the bag the same way. Let's see. Usually the coolest colors are on the inside, the brightest colors. So let's see what's in here. Oh, the 600. So we got I don't know if you can see it, or can you see it even? Gosh, look at those colors. Pink, purple. Anyway, here are the pinks and blues. Couple pinks, couple blues. Then the art club puts the number, the DMC number, on the drills. I found an AB. It's a blue AB. I wonder where it's going to be in the canvas. There's a green AB. I'm not going to go through the whole drill chain, but they are resin drills. Even the squares now are resin drills. And oh my gosh. Oh, they're gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Teals, greens, purples, blues. There's a yellow AB. So we have what? We have a yellow, a green, and a blue AB so far. I am so psyched. And the rest of this passel of lovelies. Oh, there's a white AB in here. No, AB is Aurora Borealis. It's a special coating that gives it a special sparkle and shine. Oh my gosh. Well, I will find it. I know I will find number 5. The canvas is nice and soft on the back. You see how easily this unrolled? Amazingly easy. Now I'm going to attempt to put this kind of back in here. And I'm going to try to figure out where the ABs are on this project. Oh my gosh, if you like abstracts as much as I do, with symbolism and all that other good stuff in it, you will love this project. Okay. Now, numbers 1 through 5 are the sparkles. So the white number 1 is in the whites. That's a sailboat, come to think of it. Pieces, it kind of looks like a heart, like a melted heart. It's in the bird, it's in the world, and in the whites there. Okay, now number 2 is the yellow. Number 2 is across the yellow ribbon in the sky. It's in the heart, in the tops, in the bird. I don't think it's in these down here, no. Number 3 is the green. You know, I should remember to bring my glasses over. Let me see. Let me see. A little bit in the world. I think it's up in here. A little bit in the parrot. I think parrot has a lot of it. It's got dark blue. Dark blue is around the earth. Got the swirl. Oh my gosh. It's got the movement. The dark blue has the movement through the canvas. And then there's another one that looks white. So I guess there's 2 shades of white. Oh my gosh. This one will be a pleasure to do. Absolutely. It is a 56 by 74 centimeter, which is 22 by 29. Oh, it's beautiful. It's got the pinked and poked edges. It's not serged. There's no thread going over the edge. You talk to a sewer, and that is not serged, but it's pinked. You know, it's got the decal edge on it. That's so it doesn't fray. Oh my gosh. And I love it that the background is sparkly. But the canvas itself has a sparkle to it. Even though it's square and not much of the canvas is going to show at all. When you do these, I've just learned recently that even if you see little gaps between the squares, which you don't usually, sometimes you do, as the glue settles and hardens, it kind of closes those gaps a little bit, because it kind of shrinks the canvas just tiny, tiny, tiny little bit. You don't even notice the shrinkage in it, but oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Thank you, Diamond Art Club. This is gorgeous. It is right up my alley. Oh my gosh. I can't wait. I can't wait. I've got so many I can't wait to do, as you've seen in the stash videos right before this. But thank you so much, Diamond Art Club. I'm looking forward to playing with this one. I love playing with color, and oh man, the color on this is just absolutely phenomenal. Phenomenal. Okay, divas, I'll see you again. Don't forget to sign up. Go to Wanda's Workbasket down below and in the Google Docs, and sign up for monthly giveaways, which will be happening soon. I pulled another 40 out of my collection that I've shown you through the stash videos. Another 40 of them to be able to give away, or to provide for my students in my adult night school class that's coming up in the spring, in February and March. And I'm looking forward to interacting with them. I'll be making videos alongside of them, beginner videos from start to finish, because one's a beginner class, one's a little more advanced class. And don't forget to visit my Etsy shop for cover minders, one-of-a-kind cover minders, and little pots of wax that you can use as cover minders with a little decoration on top. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye, divas.